Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to change Telegram download settings on your PC using Telegram Desktop. This helps you control where files are saved and how media is downloaded automatically. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer. Click the three-line menu in the top left corner, then click Settings. After that, open the Advanced section. At the top, you'll see the Download Path option. Click it if you want to change the folder where Telegram saves downloaded files. You can choose any folder on your computer and use it as the default download location. Next, open the Downloads option to manage download-related settings. If you want Telegram to ask where to save every file before downloading, turn on Ask Download Path for each file. When this option is enabled, Telegram will ask you to choose a location every time you download a file. Now look at the Automatic Media Download section. Here you can control automatic downloads separately for in private chats, in groups, and in channels. You can turn these options on or off depending on whether you want photos, videos, and other media to download automatically. Disabling automatic downloads can save storage space and reduce internet data usage, especially in active groups and channels. After making your changes, Telegram applies the new download settings automatically. That's how you can change Telegram download settings on PC using Telegram Desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Telegram Desktop tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.